Be sure to subscribe for more content.
So today we're going to be talking all about Bitcoin and exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now. And of course, as you may have seen, since basically about the 26th of August, Bitcoin has been in this kind of price range here, basically between 20,600 and about 19,500, and the price has just been bouncing up and down within this range. If I draw a rectangle here, you can see that the price is basically kind of bounced off the walls of a rectangle looking something like this since the 26th of August. So nothing really too exciting is happening with Bitcoin right now. It seems like that this resistance here, you can see it actually really got respected as a resistance. The price came down, tested the bottom of this rectangle and kind of broke through it. It wasn't a very big breakout in the sense that the candles, there wasn't a lot of momentum behind that breakout and the volume decreased. So we didn't see much of a breakout from this resistance. However, it did get tested as a support a few times. So it is a well-respected resistance there, but the price just kind of slid past it without too much momentum. So we're still stuck in this rectangle now between this price range of 20,600, 19,500. But like a triangle, the price has to break out of the rectangle at some point, and when it does, it's going to be big. Now, the more times the price tests the walls of this rectangle, the more price action we can expect when Bitcoin finally does break out. So me right now, I'm super focused on these levels, 19,500 and 20,600, because when Bitcoin does break out of this, it's going to be big, guys, and it's going to be really big. So basically, case for Bitcoin, if the price does break through the resistance on the bullish side, is going to be the distance between the bottom and the top of the rectangle, as that's the price target for this pattern. So basically what we're going to have is something like this. So if the price does break out through this rectangle, we should see the price quite quickly go to a level like this, and that is the 21,600 level. And if you look at that throughout the past as well, it is a level that has been tested a few times as a resistance as well, especially in this zone here. So that is quite promising to see. If we draw the fibs as well, just to show you guys, look at that, it falls just short of this Fibonacci here, this 0.38 level, which again goes through as a good resistance through some of these points here. So that's a really convincing level for me. So the bullish case for Bitcoin, if it does break out this upside, obviously the price has to go up here first, and what we should see is large volume, large momentum, and the price should be able to shoot up to this Fibonacci here. It might get tested at the 20,800 level, also a very important level for Bitcoin here. But if it can break past this fib at 0.23, then my bullish case scenario is Bitcoin hits the 21,600, 21,700 level. And obviously it's got a bit of a way to go before it hits these major resistances, this yellow line here and this purple line here. So I'm not expecting that just yet. But this is my bullish case. 21,600 is my price target. However, if we do see the price break below the support, the bearish case scenario, then I think Bitcoin is going to be headed to 18,800 or 18,700, in that kind of region there. So again, if the price does break below the support, then the exact opposite should happen for this. We should see, let me redraw that for you guys. We should see our price target looking like that. So maybe, yeah, look, 18,600-ish as a price target. Again, that kind of coincides to a major level that I was looking at, because if you look, if you kind of retrace this line backwards, you can see that it kind of hits as a support back here, and 18,600 was a major resistance during the Bitcoin run of 2017 as well. So this is a major line for me there, 18,600. So my bearish case scenario is that the price tanks down to 18,600. And of course, it all depends on market conditions as well. So realistically, I don't know which way it's going to go from here. You know, with the way the stock market is going and everything, it does look like it could go down further. However, I'm just looking at these two levels here, the 19,500 level and the 20,600 level. And if the price has broken below 19,500 or exceeded 20,600, I'm looking for a lot of momentum. So large green candles or large red candles and an increase in volume to see if that price is going to continue. And if so, I'm going to be trading that. So I just wanted to make this update video to show you how I'm preparing to trade the price action should Bitcoin break the 19,500 or 20,600 level. And until then, I'm just going to not be trading Bitcoin. I'm just going to wait for it to break out those levels. And of course, guys, the more Bitcoin bounces off the top and off the bottom of this rectangle here, the more price action we should be able to see as well once it does break it. So I'm looking forward to it. It really does remind me of the calm before the storm. Obviously the price is not going to stay in this zone forever, so when it does break out, it should be good, guys. It should be really, really good. So that's all I have to say in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.